Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Southern biscuits, the Herbie version. It's a variation of scones actually, so kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this gorgeous looking dish. So we're having some all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding some baking powder and baking soda, a bit of sugar which is optional, some garlic salt. I'll leave all the measurement in the description box below, so check that out. Some parsley, and we're going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now it's time for our cold margarine or shortening. Now this is the difference between the scones and the Southern biscuits, is that for scones you use cold butter, for Southern biscuits you use margarine or shortening. So now it's time to combine our buttermilk. I made this buttermilk using whole milk and some lemon. So we're going to combine that nicely, just like that. So once we've combined that lightly, so we're going to dust our surface and transfer to our dusted surface. And then we're going to just spread that out nicely. You're not going to need it, so just spread that out. And since we're baking in a skillet, I heated the skillet until it was very hot. And I'm going to be adding some melted butter to coat the bottom of the skillet. Now this is going to make the bottom of the biscuit a bit crispier and give it that awesomeness that butter gives everything. So if you have a cutter, you can use a cookie cutter or a scone cutter, but I don't have, and the one I had, I don't even know where it is. So you use that to shape your biscuits. So you have to slightly dust your whatever it is you're using to cut, whether it's a tumbler, whether it's a cutter. And then you press that in, it shapes it, you bring it out, and you place it gently into the hot skillet. Be careful so you don't burn yourself. And then you do that until all the dough is been or has been cut, basically. Just repeat the whole process. Yep, and it's ready for baking. So we're going to add melted butter on top of it. Yep, it's biscuit. What's biscuit without butter? And then we're going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees until it's ready. Look at it, guys, this is ready. So I'm going to add more butter because yes, it's Southern biscuit, more butter is required, and then toss it back into the oven for like about a minute or two, basically. So it's ready, guys. And I'm going to be tasting it with some jam. Now this is a store-bought jam, but the best jams are homemade jams or the ones bought from, all these local stores, especially in the UK, like the farm market where they make their jams themselves. There is more fruit than sugar. Yes, those types, it is so good. And now we're going to taste it. Farm, this is amazing. The combination of the garlic salt, the parsley, the margarine, everything just gives it a whole new level. It takes it top notch. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys.